Hello everyone. So in today's class we are going to learn this trigonometric table for 6 ratios sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot and its value for 0, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. I am going to tell you one trick in which you are not supposed to learn the whole table, only if you remember the formulas and the table for sine and tan you can make this whole table. So what you have to learn? You have to learn the table for sine only and for tan only. So let's start this. So find sine 0. Sine 0 is 0. Sine 30 is 1 upon 2. Sine 45 is 1 upon root 2. Sine 60 is under root 3 upon 2 and sine 90 is 1. So let me repeat it again. Sine 0, 0, sine 30, 1 upon 2, sine 45, 1 upon root 2, sine 60 under root 3 by 2 and sine 90, 1. Let's take these 5 fingers, 5 angles we have to learn. 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Let me write it down here. 0 for you. This is 30. This is 45, this is 60 and let me write it down, this is 90. So I hope you all can see 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. From here, from the little finger, I am starting for sine. This is sine 0, sine 30, sine 45, sine 60, sine 90. Sine 0, sine 30, sine 45, sine 60, sine 90. For cos, what you have to do is, you have made this table, you have learned this. 0, 1 upon 2, 1 upon root 2, root 3 upon 2, 1. Simple, cram this line. Okay, now I have to write for cos. Cos values in exam also, if you will remember that this is sine 0, sine 30, sine 45, sine 60, sine 90. No need to write it down on the finger, just remember 0, sine 30, sine 45, sine 60, sine 90. This is, the value is 0, 1 upon 2, 1 upon root 2, root 3 upon 2, 1. This we have learned for sine. Now what we have to do is, we are going to do it for now cos. For cos, sine 90 becomes cos 0. Sine this for 60 becomes cos 30. Sine 45 will remain cos 45. Sine 30 will be cos 60 and sine 90 will be cos 0. Means you have to start the values from these here. Cos 90, just write the reverse. 1, this will be under root 3 by 2, this was same, 1 upon root 2, this is 1 upon 2 and this is 0. So what I have done, cos 0 is sine 90, cos 30 is sine 60, cos 45 and sine 45 will remain the same because this is in the middle. Now cos 60 is sine 30 and cos 90 is sine 0. So just 0, 1 upon 2, 1 upon root 2, root 3 upon 2, 1. So now this becomes sine. For cos, start reading it from here. 0. So whatever the value was there, just reverse it. Okay. So we have made for sine and cos. So I have told you in the starting you have to learn for 2, one for sine and the other for tan. For tan also we have to remember this is tan 0 is 0. This is 0 is 1 upon root 3, 1, root 3 and its value is not defined. So what we have to learn? We have to learn the value of sine and tan. 0, 1 upon root 3, 0, 1 upon root 3, 1, root 3 and not defined. Sine cos tan we have made. In my previous video, I have told you what is cosec sine. Cosec. Cosec is 1 upon sine. Sec is 1 upon cos. And cot is 1 upon tan. So from here, I know the value of sine. I'll write its reverse and I'll get the value of cosec. For 0, I will take 0 only. 1 upon 0. 1 upon 0 is not defined. I'm writing it in the short form. 1 upon 2, reciprocal will be 2. 1 upon root 2, reciprocal will be root 2. Under root 3 upon 2, reciprocal will be 2 under root 3. And 1 reciprocal will remain 1. So I have written for cosec by knowing sine. Now for sec, I have to write 1 upon cos. So 1 means I have to take now its reciprocal. Reciprocal of 1 remains 1. Reciprocal of 2 under root 3 will be, under root 3 by 2 will be 2 under root 3. 1 upon root 2 will be under root 2. 1 upon 2 will be 2. And 1 upon 0. This is again the case of 1 upon 0. That is not defined. Cot is 1 upon 10. Take its reciprocal. 0. 1 upon 0 is not defined. 1 upon root 3 is root 3. 1 reciprocal 1. Root 3 will be 1 upon root 3 and not defined will be 0. Okay. So this is the table for sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot for all the angles. So what we have done, we have learned only sine and tan and we have formed the full table. Hope it will help you. Thanks.